List 8 and your name is. The root we are working with today is the onym, which means name. It is a Greek root. The words that go with this root are hominem, synonym, antonym, acronym, anonymous, and pseudonym. Your first word is hominem. This is a word that is spelled and pronounced like another word, but is different in meaning. So an example is bear and bear. I couldn't bear to see the bear suffer. So I couldn't stand to see the bear suffer. Bear and bear are spelled the same and pronounced the same, however, they are different in meaning. So on your homework, on the row that says homonym, write 2 words that are spelled and pronounced the same but have different meanings. You can pause the video and then play it when you're ready. Your next word is synonym. This is a word that has the same or similar meaning as another word in the same language. Example, sleepy and tired. They mean the same thing. So right next to the word synonym, in those 2 spaces, write 2 words that are synonyms. Play the video when you are ready. Next word is antonym. This is a word with a meaning that is opposite to the meaning of another word. So synonyms and antonyms are antonyms. They're opposites. Example, clean and dirty. Same thing. Next to antonym, write 2 words that are antonyms or are opposite of each other. An acronym is a name for something that is formed from the first letter of each of the words in a title. For example, NASA, we refer to NASA as NASA, but it actually stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. So NASA is NASA, N-A-S-A, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is NASA. So in the row where it says acronym, you need to write an acronym and then write what it means. So if you're using NASA, you can't use NASA because I'm using it. You'd write NASA and then in the space beside it, write the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Next is anonymous, so not identified by name or of an unknown name. So if you do something anonymously, so if you give a gift at Christmas anonymously, you give something to someone, but you're not identified. They don't know who it's from. Pseudonym is a name of a person, such as a writer, uses instead of his or her real name. So, for example, Mark Twain, who wrote the book Huckleberry Finn, that was the pseudonym used by Samuel Langhorne Clemens. So Samuel Langhorne Clemens actually wrote the book Huckleberry Finn, but his pseudonym, or his pen name sometimes as they call it, was Mark Twain.